Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an EVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class Nursery, and our today's topic is memorizing part, and today we will learn Sura Fatiha. We will recite Sura Fatiha. My dear students, today our lecture number 1. Lecture number 1. So my dear students, inshallah, today we will memorize Sura Fatiha. We will learn Sura Fatiha. So my dear students, let's start. My dear students, all of you recite with me Sura Fatiha. So let's start. At first, look at the board. Sura Fatiha. Now recite with me. Now say with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. الرحمن الرحيم. مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Amin. My dear students, Alhamdulillah, we have recited Surah Fatiha. My dear students, we will repeat again and all of you recite with me. So my dear students, let's try one more and all of you recite with me. Now look at the board again. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Malik Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Amin. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, we will recite once more Surah Fatiha. My dear students, when you will finish reciting Surah Fatiha, then you will read Amin. My dear students, Alhamdulillah, today we have learned that Surah Fatiha. My dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. And my dear students, you should practice more and more at your home for learning Surah Fatiha. for memorizing Surah Fatiha. And I hope that you will practice at your home again and again. So my dear students, inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.